Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get and open surprise gachas in Heartopia. So the surprise gachas in Heartopia are the ultimate way you can score rare furniture, limited edition wings, and also secret decor items. And in here, I'm going to break down the fastest way to farm the gacha tickets and where to find so first, you can get your gacha by completing some quests like the resident quest or maybe a daily quest. And also you can sometimes when you catch a fish, it will drop a gacha here, and to open it you can just open your backpack and find the gacha. For example, I'm going to open this surprised gacha in here. Click on the items, tap on open, and in here you just need to choose the quantity of the gacha that you want to open. So I'm going to just go with all. Now you can just click on open, and here you'll see the rewards that you get. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.